First proper day of the trip. Good night's sleep last night, 9 hours. Woken up in Salta. Got to go pick up our car, and then we got the scenic drive to Cafayate.
I wasn't ready for a late night call.
So, first stop in that Quebrada de las Conchas is the Garganta del Diablo, which is up there.
I've got my reasons why I'm in this game for life, but I will get at the truth somehow. You can blame anyone.
We has made it to Cafayate and it's raining.
We brought the British weather with us, didn't we?
But it was nice on the way here, that's what it really matters.
We've also just seen a suicidal dog.
We did see a suicidal dog.
Wine places down here.
So is it over? Am I finally free?
So day 2 in Cafayate, we are currently walking up some waterfalls / watching Emily try not to fall in them, which is actually quite entertaining. It's actually quite hard work. I'm really sweaty, but the views are incredible. Been going for like an hour and a half, seeing a load of waterfalls. There's Emily. So this is where we're having our Christmas dinner. It's a bit unusual.
Don't know if we've got any turkey.
Probably don't have any turkey, but they might have some beef.
The NYPD choir still singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. I could have been someone.
Well, so could anyone. You took my dreams from me when I first found you.
It's Christmas Day, and to celebrate, we're really hungover and lying on some sun lounges by a pool like that. Maybe we'll do something later. So, it's Christmas Day, it's like 6 PM, we've just taken a little drive out of Cafayate to this place, which is called Quebrada de las Flechas, which is the Valley of the Arrows, and it's fucking incredible. It's like